and it took me over 5 hours to make. So give me a thumbs up if you like it. Let's see if we can name all the toys here before we open the egg. This is the fairy godmother, Bruno, the coach horse, Gus, Jack, Cinderella in her working clothes, Prince Charming, Lady Tremere, Drusilla, Anastasia, and do you guys know the name of this cat? If you do, please write your answer below under the comment section, and we'll see how many people can get it right. Now we're gonna open this big giant surprise egg here. We got the face. It's made 100% Play-Doh. Now, let's get all this Play-Doh out of the way, and then we can see all our surprises. Let's shake it first before opening it. I can feel there's a lot of stuff in here, so let's see what we get. Whoa, guys! Look at all the stuff we get. I see a pop, a mini pop, a bunch of blind bags. Let's check out this one first. So the first surprise we got is the Disney vinyl figure Mystery Mini by Funko. Take the shrink wrap out. You can see here, Belle is the rarest, and so is Timon. Here's a black bag. I think we're just gonna rip it. Whoa, who do we got here, guys? It's Wreck-It Ralph, and the chance of getting him is 1 out of 12. Look like he has his 2 fists out. Maybe he's about to punch someone. I'm just gonna grab it inside and hopefully we find something good. Look what we got here. Is Cinderella in her blue ball gown. This should complete the set, so I'm gonna put her here. I found Cinderella, and this looked like some kind of light music thing. Let me see. Try Me. Not bad. Let's put it here. Let's grab something from over here. I found this blind bag here, and it's the Littlest pet shop. These are all the one you can get. I think you need a scissor for this, so let me get scissor. This is what I got. I'm not sure the name of this, but it's in a blue shoe. If you guys do know who this is, please leave a comment below and let me know. I'm gonna put it right here. Let's see what we get from the back. This is a frozen dog tag, and this is my second one. Let's see. These are all the frozen dog tags you can get. Look like there's 24 that you can collect. Here's the back. And I got the sticker here. Put them here. And here's the dog tag that I got. It has Elsa and Anna on it with a bunch of icicle. This is number 7 out of 24, and it says Sisters. Let's check out this pop here. I got a Disney Cinderella Funko Pop. Let's take a closer look at her. It's basically Cinderella in her blue ball gown, but with a Funko Pop style head. Very unique, but still you can tell it's Cinderella. I'm gonna put her right below Prince Charming. This is Doc Mustafa blind bag, and look like you could collect 14 of these. I'm gonna just cut it because I think I messed up. Do you guys know who this is? I got Millie. She's a karaoke CD player with her own microphone. There's still 3 more surprises. I'm gonna grab this one here. I got another blind bag here, and it's My Little Pony figure rings. Found this. Look like a jewelry case, and you get a pony and a ring. Here's the case again. This is Rarity. She has purple and red hair. Pretty cool looking. From the bag, you can see there's 6 to collect, and it also comes with this light blue ring here. It can stretch to fit almost any finger. You see, my finger is pretty big, but it still fit. Wearing right here would be better, so I'm gonna put her right here. Look like we have 2 more. I'm just gonna take the egg out. I got a googly Princess Cinderella. There's light, you can see, and you know, you can use this to throw at your friend, your brother and sister, just for fun. I don't think it hurt that much. I'm gonna try hit the wall. It's about 3 feet from where I'm throwing. Hopefully I can hit the middle. See that? There's like a ball inside. I'm gonna put her here. And the very last surprise is the My Little Pony Friendship Magic. There's a collector card and a figure inside. And look like you can collect 24 of them. I have to use a scissor for this one. Hopefully I don't cut into the card. This is the one that I got. It's a blue, white hair, glittering music pony. You guys know the name of this one? Is Royal Rift. And I kind of like this because it's a little different from all the other figure because it has glitter on it. That's like my first figure with glitter on it, so